Okay, here's my rental class. We have ID, customer, movie, which are both marked as required. We also have date rented and date returned. Note that date returned is a nullable date time. So I added this class, and also in application DB context, added a DB set of rental, and then created a migration and updated the database. Okay, what's next? We are ready to implement our API. When it comes to implementation, it's best to start with the happy path. Forget about all edge cases and validation stuff at the beginning, because you can easily get distracted and get stuck in an endless loop. So focus on the happy path at the beginning, and I promise you'll be on the right track. So here, in this action, we need to load the customer and the movies based on the IDs that our DTO gives us. And then for each movie, we need to create a new rental object for that movie and the given customer, and then add it to the database. And that's your next exercise. So go ahead and implement the simplest API. Focus on the happy path. Imagine all IDs are valid. Once you implement the API, use Postman to call it. And make sure if you give it 3 movie IDs, you will get 3 rental records in the database.